So hey, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, share my videos, click the notification. Hey, give it up, guys. I try to show you some stuff that other people don't show you, and we work on these 3.7s and 4.7s all the time in the shop. Today we're dealing with the 2010 Jeep Liberty with the 3.7, but I assure you that the 4.7 is the same. So what we've got going on is we've got a ticking in the motor, and we're going to start up the motor, and we're going to show you that ticking, and then we're going to put it on slow-mo and show you the actual video of what we believe the problem is. And if it is the problem, we'll film that as well, and then we'll film it, get taken care of the noise. So right now Jeff is going to go ahead and start it up so we can hear the noise that you're hearing, and I'm going to hold the camera, and you only have to leave it running for a couple seconds, Jeff, and we believe it's this tensioner right here, and you're going to watch that real quick. Yep. See how it's moving up and down? Shut it up. See how it was moving up and down when he first started turning the motor over? We believe that that's the problem, and that's where that noise is coming from. So real quick, we're going to swap that out and show you, but I'm going to try to show you in slow-mo here in a second. With that,
I took a pry bar, used the edge of this tensioner to lift up on the tensioner guide
that's up underneath here that this tensioner holds on.
Yep, it lift this up, and then you can
took the two bolts out with the other hand.
Yep. What I did differently though, because it's not getting enough oil, I removed the oil restrictor plate. That way it's getting full oil pressure to that tensioner.
Okay.
And hopefully that'll.
And we also, you know, we replaced this tensioner with another one that we had here in the shop that we're pretty sure that it's good. And obviously we can run the engine for just a short period of time with this cover off and the valve covers off. You're going to get oil everywhere. There ain't nothing you can do about that. But hopefully we're going to test it out and see if it worked. Yep.
Make sure that crank,
Oh, we need to take the socket off the crank before we start the engine up. All right, go ahead, Jeff. Ah, no noise, as smooth as silk. This definitely was the problem, folks. Bad tensioner. It happens. You know, we just replaced this. We actually built this motor for this lady, and we did all this work. Hopefully this video was helpful, and you guys want to subscribe. Click the notifications. Remember, don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. God bless, and have a great day. I'm happy.